It's a little 2-hour flight from life.
Yeah, Miami type vibes. You're on our way to Manila. HK Express. It's like the JetBlue of. No, maybe not. Maybe not.
Cabin crew, be seated for takeoff.
Oh, this headphone fucked up.
They don't work. One ear working? What's wrong? One ear is working or some shit?
Nah, I go. Yo, pass me that other one.
They get you tight, right? They get you tight.
Cause I forgot it's in my bag. Motherfucker.
Welcome to Manila. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned on. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments as items inside may fall out. Please also check that you have all your personal belongings before leaving the aircraft. You may not switch on your personal electronic devices with cellular functions. Passenger with nothing to declare can proceed directly to the nothing to declare channel. Those passengers who have items to declare are required to fill out a custom declaration form available at the baggage claim area before proceeding to the goods to declare channel. If you are bringing in foreign or Philippine currency or monetary instruments exceeding US 10,000 or 50,000 Philippine pesos, are required to fill out the currency declaration form. The form is available at the customs desk on arrival. More information can be found in the baggage claim area. If you have any questions, please approach the customs officer upon arrival. It's been our pleasure taking care of you today. If Manila is home, a very warm welcome home. Thank you for flying Cathay Pacific and member of the One World Alliance.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah.
Do the Philippines, baby.
Always feels good. Different air. Sun hit different out here. Can't believe you made it, man.
You made it. You made it. You made it. It's the smell of chocolate.
Yeah, you can smell it. Yeah. Man, I can't believe you in Manila, boy.
Manila. Never thought I made it here, bro. I mean, I was going to visit eventually, but came sooner than before. Never.
Yeah, man, I'm telling you. We waiting on Grabs, Odo. Oh, right there. Yeah. Local, yeah.
Campaign na.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Oh boy.
Hello, Kuya. Salamat.
Good morning.
Good morning.
But yeah, I was saying, son, you had 2 weeks off, son, and these flights stay good. We could really tour Southeast Asia.
Yeah. And it's so easy to move around.
Yeah,
You know?
it is. Everything's like so like an hour away, hour and a half away. Like, you know what I'm saying?
What's your first impression of Manila?
So far, everything's good, man. Everything's nice. Hot as hell, but it's nice.
Yeah, that sun hit different out here.
It'd be hot at night too, right?